As you can see, a couple of days ago, this was nothing but woods, and now we got a full-blown motocross track. So really want to give a big shout out to Ahearn Equipment, providing us with some great SANY machines. This is a nice, small, safe track. These are novice riders, and they're going to be able to come out here and ride and get a little bit better each time and grow with the track. The track will get bigger, the bikes will get better. Alright, so the track's built here in Ringe, New Hampshire. It's time to go out and have some fun and try it out with the kids.
Oh my, my, it feels so good, it feels so good, it feels so good. Oh my, gonna make my move, I'm all in, got nothing to lose. Oh my, gonna shake it off, it ain't no thing, it ain't no thing. Oh my, doing what I want, gonna do my thing, do my thing. Way up high and take it low, I'm feeling right from head to toe. Light it up and let it roll, here I go. Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my, are you ready? Ready and now to keep going, and I can't stop. Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my, oh my.
Down there, I just made a pile right over here.
Yeah, I'm cutting
Are
it.
you ready?